you say your man get shot?
What you just say?
Huh?
You don't listen. Your man get shot up there, so come on, Nick here talk. How much money you also?
No, I pick this carry. A liar thing.
Come on, come on.
Not a liar thing, girl. Liar thing. Which part? Which part? Which part?
Come on, come on.
See so.
Me there.
So you look so sad, don't you?
Me there, man.
Talk to me, man, want you.
Nothing happened to me.
I know say you're not too in and out with me still, but want you. I don't like how you look, man. Talk to me.
I'm boyfriend me I worry about.
The boyfriend I worry about.
Yeah, me don't know if I get money from to fix back in job one.
Fix back in what?
They shot him up other day, right? And in the hospital now. In job one mash up. And he get shot in his belly part, them part there, you see me? So, me only thank God saying not dead, you see me?
What? He not dead. I'm give him so much shot.
What you mean by you get... What? See me if you tell me see you all along.
Yo, look him.
Watch out. See me if it... So him. Oh, God. Bien. How you feel? Oh God. I think we have a solution. You know, so we not even have no money right now or no. I don't know what we have to do. We don't have no money. But wait there. Me did have somebody who did I talk to one time, but me go text the person asking for money. But me know how you feel no way about you, hear? Hear? Me go something, me call the person and tell him. We can't tell you this is a situation like I now go send him money. Use your phone. Me go something and tell him say Browning kick me out. What time place I don't know where to go. So want me do that then? But you have to practice saying I go feel no way, and I can't go do it and then I go feel no way. Call him now. I see him call again. Hello? No man, I mean Mel. You know, say me didn't want to stick situation though, and me didn't want to help me out with something. I beg you please. What that? You know, say Browning keep me to she place that I don't know where to go. No where me not to go. She said to pack my things and go. Maybe take out my something them right now. I had them on my foot right and I don't know which path to go right now. I not no money for me. And I can't get my family them. Yes, sir? Alright then, thanks. So when you go see me? Alright then, thanks. God bless you, see me? Alright, big up yourself. Yeah. Just send me information. Yeah, on this number. Alright. Yes! Yeah. I sent 120,000.
120,000.
So, I think I get 20, then I take 100. Eh?
So I'm fix my jaw.
Oh, I forgot to buy one new jawbone for you. But how much you fix jawbone now?
That whole check.
If you go buy iron jawbone or if you go fix the jawbone, I don't know how much money that they, you know. And then what I'm going to use to pull that money again. Where we are going to and I can call him back and say, I want to send thing there for now. Because I say 120 must send me, you know. So, you know. The jawbone couldn't hold off, like a...
Stop feeling, man. I can't open up my mouth for it. I say, brother shoot me, you know. But him shoot me. So he's supposed to take care of it. And can go to prison right now. I said no.
You know, that's nobody in a heap attacking because...
I don't go. Yeah, I said I'm get shot. I said feeling right now.
Lie down. Anything we can't eat, you know. You want to bring up something for your drink?
Yeah.
Alright then, I'll do that. I'm going to let you phone, so if you ever make sure come on, you can.
I'm gonna know.
My dad and I good.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Oh,
Oh,
see, soup I left on the table. It's good.
Oh.
You feel kind of a little bit edgy, but you're alright.
Oh. A different something I want to talk about though. They say that Imman did ask him money fix a jawbone. But he link him back again and tell him I want a piece of food and he end up on sending.
Oh.
So.
Much you send?
Instead of a piece of food, man.
Bigger than last time?
Way bigger.
Big.
Big.
Like can build a house?
600 instead. 600,000.
600,000?
You know, so I know baby money that. So I have to say if I want to go.
Wait. This a man that sure like, you know, a relationship with them.
No, you don't want a relationship.
Sure.
He just send me one time I want money. When I want money, I just tell him and he send it.
So when I live in America?
He live here, America, I live.
Okay. Just want to make sure you know, say no propose man to come to Jamaica now and want to see you. And he can't see you.
No, if he's, no, he can't come to Jamaica and say he wants to see me.
Okay, so give me a money, put it in my pocket now. Okay.
Me don't give him money, you already take out your already, so.
How much money is this?
You don't have to take out him when
You can't, you want to know 4,000?
Yeah, me I go later.
10,000, put it in my pocket.
Here,
Oh, yeah, go later?
yeah, now I go. You can go hotel or somewhere. Go buy clothes, matching outfits.
Yeah, buy clothes.
Yeah, buy clothes.
Oh.
Yeah, come with me or you want me alone go buy?
You can't alone go buy. I mean, shopping vibes.
You want me go know where you want me go later?
When are we have to go?
Oh. You go find out then.
Alright. I'll link my virgin. Oh, go on.
A long time not see it away, did it?
Why I'm on that team I go through right now. They don't even know. You know, yeah, so what day I get shot?
Oh, I forgot to tell you about that, you know. So I really go down.
Boy, no, I see who shot me, but rough.
You feel the man the other day, you know, about that fiber.
So then my tongue black, I get shot in my jawbone, bust out, you know. A new jawbone, I tell you how my jawbone get fixed. New jawbone, iron, I forget.
There's nothing wrong, at least.
Woman, they on woman, and something I know I go. But she have one man, I'll come on a foreign and he send her money and fix my jawbone.
Good woman, they take up.
Yeah, man, you good man.
Talking about woman, you know, I work on TikTok.
On TikTok?
See that money. 2 million till I say me not foreign though. But the worst part.
Listen,
Worst part is about
2 million.
Yeah, man.
And you live at the same 2 million, you tell her? You must be mad.
Borrow it, man.
So you and I meet up.
Not yet. Tell her I say me I go fly down come to Jamaica and meet up with her.
Oh, you tell her I say they're foreign. You sure it is not a man like I deal with.
No, I'm not think so.
Cause them girl they're not.
And every woman a cheat, you know.
Oh. No, they always have fear girl them still. But me would say that girl $2 million. And you say buried.
Well, if you want to send a girl 2 million, try not fall in love with none. Because when you fall in love with a girl, you give her all your heart. If you want your heart to survive.
$2 million. Me not have the heart to send a girl that. Me tell her honest truth. My woman, she spend for me, you know.
Well, you're lucky.
That me find a lucky one that she spend for me. You don't know where she get the money from so many times, but she does spend.
Black or white, man?
Black girl, a Jamaican girl.
A spend per man?
Yeah, she get money. I don't know where she get money so many times,
Daddy,
but she does
it's very weird to find one black woman with spend per man without disrespectful. But you see a white man, they will spend per yourself. Shoo!
But me I tell her say my girl says she stay too. If she get 5 grand, she has split in her. She should be able to take 15 bills out of 5 grand and give me rest. And say go and go buy something there. When she buy clothes, she buy a matching suit with 2 of it.
Married to her.
Matching suit, I will go out and have fun. But you know where I go. Even though we are go out, I check me say me I come check it. She give me a 4 grand in my pocket and ready. But I can't bridging still, me give her 2 grand. I'll fight because she'll give me more money later. Is it? Good, sir. I'm bridging, so we're on a
So, yeah, next two.
No, man, it's soft out.
Alright.
Look more, or when she give me back her next money in the check, because she was supposed to ask her for 30 grand.
Backside. Backside, they're 50. If I saw
Because
she
she's supposed to have a better room and you know.
Huh? How good a man that man?
You know, fit to her car. Now come out, I want to move out and my father look a room too. Because when he's gone, I just see one little room and left.
Oh.
You know, I live in a legacy. So I want to come out and film one little room. And she have built a one board house there. She get to post her, look boy land already and everything. So everything go through Billy house for me. So them the thing that I'm going to start linking up more often, man. I true me now see you every time I come and so here see you gone up, so
no,
you gone
so me have to go out decent hotel when me have call.
Oh. No, that's why they are foreign. But if you use them the style upon boy, I hope your work out to do. Hope you go through good.
Good man, perfect man. We just hotel I say you have come down.
Alright then, so when you come down out Jamaica, yeah, you make me see her.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Because you're there America. So
America.
I go down on the road there.
New York.
Yeah, Bronx.
Back road. You know, say New York back road and really look good.
Alright, you're there on the Bronx.
Yeah, on the ghetto side.
I got broken. Yeah. You good?
Yeah, man, you know something to see you do. So,
Oh.
you know here, who shut the man yet?
Girl, I'm gonna find out who do it, but I soon talk about that. I soon find out who do it. You see me?
Well, anyways, since morning, for your boy text me and saying send one next money for you.
So you need my text or something?
So no member say I me give you him,
Yeah.
like me have him number or something. So him say him not get your phone, me don't know why, so
You not get my phone?
yeah. Me don't know if when you're there on Nick, you block him or something. Me don't know if you are yet.
We don't block him.
But you see my call you and get your master. You know, see you love have your phone for airplane mode every minute. If you take a phone off airplane mode.
Sometimes I go on it by itself, you see me? Sometimes I don't do it.
Anyways, what are going for me? Cause this money where you get, you know, I want a good piece of money and you say you want to build a house. I'm not say I build no house, so more want money out of it.
So Browning, every money I collect you go want out of it just because you give me a link.
Which every money, we sure no sense in the next money, I mean I get no out there and other money. Me not get no out there. But if I me set it up, not really set it up, but I me make way man and you tell me
But,
me
Brownie, that you make me know the man. The first money I get, right? Me give you money out of it. Right?
That
not mean so just because every time I get money, I go.
Cause right now, nothing not going for me. You know, say TikTok ban my page.
TikTok ban a page? Oh
yeah. Right now, me frost days right now.
Make it a thing. What am I this day?
550. Already 550.
Yeah, lucky see I get drinks money. You can't quench thirst, not do that. That can buy one sitting there, one sandwich,
you know, say,
a burger thing.
This is second time you style me.
I'm not
second time now you style me, you know.
Give me back then.
You know.
I me never get the money, I would have styling thing. Me give the money, a styling thing. Make up a mind, girl.
You know, I think good.
You know the amount of things me have to do that the money there? Me have to go try build a house with you. Give me mother money. Me have personal things to deal with. And me have to fix my man jawbone. You see amount of something for something.
Me not say you know if you do that or help your mother or something. But me your friend.
And by the end of the day, you know, time I don't do all of that, then I make the little bit of money they left, but wait them to take all of the money and take it on you, not true. I mean, I have no money for myself. You can't work so.
Me never say if you
Me give you 550, be grateful for it. Thank God say you get 550.
Me never say if you take your whole lot of money give me. Right? Me just say TikTok ban me account at least you can give me 10 grand or so, even 5 grand.
10 grand? 5 grand? No, running. You're going too much now. If you're going to build out, no, never mind, baby girl. I can't go over. 550 is up. Is.
Me hope you build a house. Me hope you build a house.
Me I go build 600,000 cannot finish a house, baby. You only can start the house.
Me hope you start it. Me I look for see you start house.
Me use your dig with the foundation.
And I look for see you do everything when you say you do.
Yeah, man.
Cause be here me see you. You think me not hear what you do with the bad money you want?
Yeah, one.
There girl, I don't say. Me glad you come over here again.
I ask you one question still before you start talk. How many see you for your friend? How many see him over here when the man get shot and so off?
Tell the girl, you know, see I want a wicked girl. After me bring a girl come here and cool me girl and send him a road and boss the girl not do nothing more than stab me in my back. Remember say me that tell you about if foreign man when you have there? You understand? If foreign man send him one next money I get in a girl. If man send him one next money.
So question, he man dead?
You know, me was here saying get shot in a jawbone or something. Talking about him man too. He tell me say him I go fix him and jawbone with the money we him send and he have house to start this video and me see him come over here in a week. So that means say the man money ma take put on wig and something.
Remember saying the thief is slippers and saying him so go the thief in thief that the wig they took. So I can't, if you might use the money fix jawbone in got as much buy one wig and install you go the thief in thief if I want one girl me adopt this year.
It's true, that's true. But anyways, girl, you know say other day you come over here too. And me tell him say he man sending one next money. I'm say, well, give me one little money out of it because TikTok ban me page. You TikTok ban me page, you know? Because I didn't even know somebody data come over here come running on my live and they ban me page. Anyways, me say give me one little money out of it. Me have to go do this and that and so come in tell me say he might go fix him and jawbone. But me there for him. Because the man text me other day too, you know. I say he must soon come to Jamaica, you know.
What
so
you say?
Yes, he don't know when do.
Even if a man tell her when he come to Jamaica, don't tell her. Make him man come catch him. I do it if you do. Make him come catch him.
What me I tell him for? Tell me that the girl in a plan piece of line. Find that the girl that wear my drawers and teeth, my slippers. My name is no friend. Remember I'm telling her that me smile with him, but me and she is no friend. Alright, that's what I'm there. If you see what will happen to them, because anything where they are dark must come alight. Remember that. My mother did tell me that. You understand me? And I'll get what she deserve. If I'll get what he deserve, remember I'm telling her that. Let me chat to the neighbor here. Oi! Who not tapping knives? No, I'm telling me neighbor them. The people here will get some man. They know say me that me no because me I want to come migraine. I'm not for hear no nice. And that the doctor say I'm not for hackle up myself. That's why I'm soon going go lit down. And they still a play loud music out there. All me tell them. That's why me a
That's what anytime, man. That's why me. I'm glad I don't live down there, you know. Me dey plan to move in make you rent more one of them room up on the house or something, but no, not me. But you need to get that girl there. Me say don't tell him say man a coming now. Make him man come catch him. And if I see him man a choke out in life all time or lick him in the face, turn up and watch and laugh. Don't do nothing because the girl is too wicked. I'm tired for warning about her, but she still a come over here.
Me too nice, man. Me too soft. Me take a girl in my house, show a girl the ropes. Me I'll buy him the first set of clothes. Me buy him it. You understand me? The girl there living on my house, under my roof, and have my free food and everything. You understand me?
Same brother stop beat him.
You know, so me no know. A long time now, you know about the boy there, you know. And because she do that with the evil business. I want the boy lick him, kill him, lick him. Broke out 20, they were doing business. I do business with her. Do business with her.
Hey, I just don't really want to know because I don't see my pass and throw over here for the day. So, I have to cook some food because I feel hungry, you know. So, I miss you.
Yeah,
Tomorrow I come back.
Yeah, man, I will take 2 and pill them for my headache. Yeah.
Alright.
I hope they're not making music, you know. People have to send me around with them.
What's up? Now you hear that? I mean, I hear that. Hello?
Wagwan.
There you are, good.
So, me ask you a question. From me saying the money you can't come back, you don't get the house yet?
Yeah, me get the house, man. But me I gonna need some more money because the place want tile out and me no want no aluminum or whatever I want me drop on the floor.
So you want to tile it?
Yeah, me want tile, but me not have the money to do it.
So, about how much money, sir?
How much money? 100 grand.
That's not bad, but yeah. No, that really can't even tell us, you know. You know, so me come to Jamaica do.
Yeah, they I think, remember say, alright, 100 to pay. 100 feet tile and maybe pay somebody if you do it and if you go buy something, the thing set to deal with the tile.
200,000 can cover that, no worry, man.
Yeah.
So you hear me, I say now. I go and come down to Jamaica early enough.
Where can Jamaica come do?
No, I must go for me can't spend my money on this year.
No, man. Me not think me go there, you know.
No, nobody will do with that, man. Just send me a location and you can find me. You speechless?
No, man. If one not hard work good. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. Hey, listen to me. Oh. Hello.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, alright.
You hear me now?
No, me not hear you. No.
Hello?
Me not hear you. Cause.
Oh, you hear me? No, hello?
Yeah, what I say now? Cause you did beep, like something.
No, the internet man did a reconnect. Yeah, you can't send the money today.
I saw like somebody in your background and whisper.
No, man, TV me I watch shit papa. Eh?
Alright, so alright, man send 200,000.
Alright then.
But remember, I me I come down and I want to see you.
Yeah, man, you see me.
I ramp with me, you know.
Yeah, man, me not ramp with them, man. Alright then.
Because and I'm a 2 hands I walk with them, I can't find you know. Me have my gun and it never empty. So let me tell you something. Not only because me I send how much money I feel like I pay for safety. Me I send the money because me I insure you. So you see if you ramp with my little property where you have there, me I pay down pan. Not you want to fly enough to go pan it, because you see how they fly when you go pan it. I dead that I dead too, you know. You hear me say?
Yeah, man, me hear man. You see, alright, just send off your money.
Alright, you can go West End in the next 5 minutes.
Alright.
You want no problem?
Yeah.
This tell you. You know say man I come to Jamaica.
Me not making see me. Me not making come and see me do.
Yeah, man I tell about gun.
You can't find me.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Your friend now with boy, I'm telling you, it's a put
Yeah, but if you come to Jamaica, I'm no more things. Would I get more money? Just link up with him for one time. But I do not do.
Then you go and link up again. Again and again until you not go back. Until I go with him.
No, go with him.
No, it's something like this there. I just feel something like this that got me. Not, yo. Yeah, took him man money and you think him man money.
I'm never gonna take him man money. No, you tell me don't.
Who tell you to take money?
I'm me and you and because
You don't take no money.
You tell, look here, say 200,000, 100. Me ask you check about 200 because you want the other half.
Because it's going to look bad how you have to pay man for work and buy material.
But if it's that,
And I mean, you don't bring me night. Do not bring me night.
but at least
Only
me
thing you
spend
do,
money for
I
you.
fix my jawbone and pay for my hospital bill. That's all you do on medication.
So me not give you money for yourself.
You give me one little change so I want to go. What am I telling you? What you going to do now? I'm going to call back.
No, my mother.
Just go.
Alright. Yeah.
Boy,
You hear me? Yeah.
go on
Yeah, answer
outside
your-
because you signal bad in yourself.
Yeah, answer all. I'm gonna tell you, you hear me.
No, that is something like this there, man.
What's phone number is on? Hello? Oh, what's up? How is it in Jamaica? Oh, what a surprise me when I say I come so quick. Listen, meet you in the town? Yeah, man. Alright. Welcome. Yeah, welcome. This is my little cabin that I have here. Well, come inside, cause you need to sit down. Cause I need to talk about something really important. So you go on the flight?
My flight was a little exhausted. I fly for like
Well, anyways, let me get to the point. Where's your name?
Jay.
Jay. Alright, nice to meet you. You know, see, as I can see, Brittany not here.
Oh, she at the house that I got her to buy.
You make sure I tell you that they also call her Mel. You understand me? This girl here not put no money in towards no house or no what you think about. What time this girl has spent your money with one black boy named Nick?
No, I believe that.
You don't believe that? You better believe it. right through PP clock. This girl coming here every minute. Burger, KFC, Popeyes, them rent car, them buy every matching outfit. Other day, a matching bag, me see them in a vacay, like they want to go on a weekend trip with your money. So you best believe it. So me didn't wait till me see you in person for me tell you this.
So
because I don't know normal so this girl they here I go on with. I'm tell her, I say look here, you better you use the money wisely, you know. Because the first money where you send, I'm being collected. Yeah? And she look for me as a friend when me carry her come here and put her in my house and I'm gonna charge her $1 to make she eat food. You understand me? This girl look for me and give me $5 grand and I come tell me say me rob her and she pay her 99,000. This girl can't check. You understand me? So I know little thing she do me here. And me still say look here girl, I don't want to stop your food. Make sure you have a head for your body. Your man send you money, make sure you use it wisely. This girl get off with your money. Right now, I best believe it say a him and the boy the same place right now I spend your money. Best believe it. But say look here, can't they go on so because they must something here. We make man kill you. Me want to know what that the boy they give him so make him love that the boy they so. Huh? Because there's no way on earth. Me not say enough to spend for your money now. But why you have a man sending you money and you spend the man money on the next man? That is not right. You understand me? So me that wait till you come here. Me tell you in person. Because me don't want to tell you over your phone and you go drop down and have a heart attack. Me don't want. So better you have a heart attack here. We can call the ambulance.
So, you have any idea where Putney is located? Otherwise, they say otherwise known as Mel.
You know, so they rent one little place. Me here, so they rent one little place. Me see if me can call one of my friends there. Wait there.
Cause that girl have to pay the price, you know. I go and put a bullet in the two of them. I go and carry them with
don't bother with that,
bullet.
please. Don't bother with this something. Yeah, Jordan. I was part of it say little girl they live again. Oh, so all along I write up the same live. And that's why me I see my turn off in a lane. Alright, no see a word. Me soon come and check you still. Alright. You have it something for me? Alright. All my boy now give me back my money for me spaz need you know. Alright. You know what say you see when I go up on the hilltop right up there, so one little lane, ask anybody out I shop this way we sit down. Ask them. You know I'm come show you. Let me show you. Come.
Class, right, you know. Somebody will pay the price, you know.
Soon feel better, man. Just no worry, just relax. Yeah? Soon,
Yes. Sit there. Sit there, I come bring you. I tell you one day me I come see.
No.
Yeah, man. What?
She had to
Oh,
come
man, I see me, I send money to Virgin. I see me to the one I sent them $2 million gone already too.
Where's your brother? Where's your brother?
Me say I see me, I send the money too.
I did, I she, my woman.
So what on there? All along me I send money to a fear woman. All along tell me say the woman are mine, it's my money and mine you.
So wait there.
No.
We don't know each other.
Listen me now, me. Me don't want to have to, me tell you already.
Me no.
Don't move, you know. You don't move. Me tell you already over the phone, you know. Say if you ramp with me, me gonna never empty.
Tell enough for ramp with the people that money, you see what I'm now.
What are you telling me to take?
We not tell him to take.
Me say, see how me so, me don't want.
Me never tell him to take.
This what me want say. As a big man, if you look walk, you know, if you depend on woman to mind you. Woman they get jobs to wash it for them as they must spend.
We never know the over today with woman, and I said woman.
Virgin, missing name mark on her, missing nick mark on her. Look on her, but you see no nick mark on her, how me going?
Yeah, Fred.
Bridget, if you continue to swing with us, Lego one shot and a business where you want to reach. Why you take my money? I'm my man. After me, I send money to build a house to come and come cock up in.
A Browning set you up.
You think I'm foreign with it there?
But a Browning.
I'm young with there, I borrow money to send you. Because you want money, I say, boy, maybe I want a good man. I'm going to borrow the money because you say I can build a house. And this is what you put my money in. You put
No, all I just not spend on.
How much money you spend on him because you want to buy a box of bullet? God no. How much money you spend on him because me and your friend? But me now kill him.
She buy ear and everything. She buy everything. She spend on
the money out there.
Browning?
She can.
Alright.
That's why she run down to carry two of them and spend the money.
How much money left out of my money?
Browning, take KIERA'S.
How much money you get?
Me no only money me get that.
How much money?
You know the money me she give me have to fix my job when me get shot. That I
So we can shot back out the job.
No.
Come. Daddy, listen to me.
Please.
When me tell you, say, yo, listen, you should have known me come down and come out to my. Me say, if you move a shot off your wedding, move. Just move. And my money buy it, we can't shoot off it. No, you me I say now. Look how hard this me I work. I go around and I have to borrow money and send go give the woman and my money I take a spend it on.
Me never know.
Look how hard they work.
And she
You see her on TikTok and say, yeah, me like her, she tell me say she's single. I'm say, alright, but take care of you. And you used to send her some of the chump chin. And then in terms of saying, I'm building a house. I'm king.
And she not build no house, she used to have a whole lot of money. But you still have a whole 600,000. But you still not
You never believe in life after that. See
So me, every time say me and this together, this really I do.
She used to have a whole lot of money.
He must set up me up. And him and Browning set me up on you.
Me not set you up. Me not know nothing about it. Real. What day when me get shot. I tell me about one man. Yes sir. She come to me and say, I go tell her something but me don't want your bex and then sitting there. And she tell me about you. And say, yeah, I'll send my son.
Yeah, I know to be your friend and didn't tell about me.
Me never know you. Me never know say you. I mean, if you know
So she
say
don't tell her the name.
no, she don't say one man a foreign. She never say no name and she call at the same time and you send her money and me take
What money we send the last time?
Me no remember outside.
Oh, can you remember? Trust me, I would give 200,000 shot when we sent the last time.
Actually, we can't go to the bathroom.
Go out the bathroom, a piece right there so. You know what I say? Me want my money and me I tell her, me not kill a woman, but you know what I say? You see, two of them, when you go and walk back the money to pay back the loan. You see, if you make the loan late, and tax company, me I shut them around too. Hey!
She want from Jesus.
Go son. Go son, use the bathroom. Yeah. Alright, you know what I say now? May I come back here?
Please, me and beg you. please.
Tomorrow, you see if me not get tired money from you. Now see, you come here
But
and
me,
beg
the
you.
fight is going for me now.
And you see spend the pan. So you see if me not get my money. Anything where you look for your body precious. And you are shot. May I tell you that. So if you love your face, I you know why your face mash up. Let me get my money. Let me get my money, yeah? That's what me
Me not.
jump. Say Jesus.
Jesus,
I love you.
I love you.
And I will always praise you.
I always praise you.
Alright, Jesus save your life, yeah? May I come back to you in the morning.
You see that girl that know me, see that thing man I got you. Come out of the bathroom! You what? You see that sit me and no man. Man I come and go shoot gun in my face. Come out of the bathroom!
Browning.
Where on my yard?
Balls.
Where do you have my yard? Where do you have my yard? Hmm?
Just calm down, my burning. I should come over here to ask you. Wow.
What you really could have come over me and ask me for? Eh? After all what you do me, you really come over me and ask me for something?
You can't lend more money, me make you get it back.
Me feeling your money? Me feeling your money, girl? Eh? After when money that come through your hand 24/7, you don't give me $1, you really come over in my yard.
You
look a five.
Other day, me come as a brown at 550 me give you.
If you want back, the money them can give you back. But don't come over my yard, man, and tell me say me feeling the money. Because you're a wicked girl. Eh? So not true sitting there saying want back your money now and come to you. You see there when you can come round there? Me know, you know. Something more mind just tell me say, Tiana, left out of the friggin' house. Because you me left out there, go to the pool too. You understand me? So me know why you mix me up with this year. Because me need it when I money, you know. Me ain't taking my money. So you could never bright and face if you really come to my place and tell me say you want money to borrow from me. Eh?
But me and your friend where come from far.
Where come from far? You never know say where come from far when you buy matching clothes for Nick and buy food for Nick. You don't know say where you come from far. Eh?
Oh, me give you money.
Which money? The 500 is money? Eh?
And the money where they get the first time when they go collect money for me. How much money they take again?
Girl, you know say I want to domestic. Because so that the money that me take fee go take big risk go collect 100,000 off of my account and me take a little money out there. Is you give me money? Eh? You didn't even pay me fear.
Say money when me gain a pay fear out of it.
Left me place. Left me place.
So you are
Left me place and me don't want you come back here because I don't want that the money. You see it? You see it? She knows that karma is a bitch. Because imagine they are not fine, you know. Imagine they are not find a Jamaican man and truly like you instead of money. If I didn't have your head by your body, you put the money to good use. But you're stupid enough. You're stupid. You're gonna take the money, Nick. When Nick there now? Where is Nick? Where is Nick now? Come out of place. Please leave my place.
Say now give me money.
Leave my place.
Me mean it's a
Which money?
That's give me your money no more.
I know my TikTok account still bad. You understand? A TikTok bill my place. I TikTok a pay my rent. Come out here. Come out here.
Let's start about TikTok together.
Me and I start no TikTok together. After you stab me in my back, come on.
Me stab me in your
Go
back.
and see the door there. Oh, leave. Please leave.
Is it true me not like disrespect me? I'll come out to your place. Is it me?
Go on to Nick. Go ask Nick if he handle that money put down.
Everything.
Right. Go check Nick. Yeah, me have his money put down. Rubbish.
What do you do?
I'm gonna come here. No, sir.
We just come out, man. Where are you going?
So they come out that for the place, you remember?
Eh? You know, say me, I don't tell you, man. I always, me not really have nobody if you check like that.
So you check auntie?
Auntie,
And you check your mother?
I say I check them, man. Just come on, I pass, man. And I say I come link you.
Oh.
You know?
Yes, just and try as me I go through right now.
Well, I tell you so. I'm in a jail, you know, man. I just you dip on my mind, you know. I don't know, something boy, they just dip on my mind.
I mean, me just dip on your mind, so.
What do you mean?
After me have a cousin, I don't like to me a woman or so. What happened to Marsha?
No, but I must say, me and I'm near cousin. I'm near cousin. I'm not near cousin at him.
So what you try to
cousin
say?
at him, man.
What you try to say?
We're not really family.
So what you try to say?
We're not really family.
So what you try to say? What you try to
I
say?
like you.
What?
I like you.
You like me? Come on, please. Please and thanks. There's no way me I go there with my cousin. I really them my intention you go to prison with and really come back out of prison with. Eh?
Listen, man, me and family like that. Just stop it, man. A long time I like it, you know. I must say when we did Lily, we used to do same thing.
Then I tell me that little pitney. I'm did fool. Plus nothing ain't going. Stop going like man. We are family. You know if you have the rest in our mind.
Yeah, but I mean, listen, I mean, get that out of mind. I mean, no, say me and no family. I know that for sure. Me even ask my mother how much time. Me and know for food. Me and know real family.
So
I don't know if you do nothing.
Remember say your mother and my mother are two sister pitney, you know?
No. Different father. Different.
Yeah, one like say you did born before them. I know everything.
Say never like you when we did young.
Me as me say we did fool. Or me didn't even know
I
nothing.
never fool though. Cause me never fool.
So what me now?
Cause me I say I'm fresh from jail. That's why we come link you. Cause me I tell you I think about your family man. God know me I tell you I think about your man from when. They in a jail man I think about your man. True. I know you now no man.
Me nah know man.
Okay, you don't like my chest. You remember you used to love my chest when you were young. I see your chest.
Stop that.
Look how you look at it. Look how you bite already.
Alright, can't be so but I lost time this.
No man. Watch out. We are not family. Nobody really both. Me single, you know, girl.
People have it as if we are cousin though. Like you can't tell your mother and my mother say we are cousin. You understand? We can't make people know.
No man, I buy a cousin them no man. Just because we live good, we will live good in our family. We have a big family. So just I come from jail no man. I'm here.
We are coming on baby.
And then you me man. First from prison, you know man. I'm here.
Enjoy
I
yourself.
say a squirt and wet up my pants on my chest.
Something big on your face, you right, Papi?
I mean, I'm here. How will you learn them this again?
Watch pants.
Watch pants? Good man, watch out.
But the pants wet up. I see you go for your pants wet up.
Watch out man, I use squirt and wet up with something. I'm here. But watch out. I'm going to link you back in. I'm going to take off. I dash off him like a prison
You
clothes.
want to want to next time, because I want the water. I see you go for the pants wet up.
How they going?
Where don't come here?
No, sir! Browning! Are this really gone to? You have sex with your cousin?
Mind your own business.
Yeah, man, I say.
Wally.
A jail me I come from him.
Someone don't say a jail you come from, sir. So where you going to for?
Me a murderer girl. Here? Mind your business.
You
Me and
too
the girl
enough.
don't know family.
Shut up your mouth. But you ain't ride your cousin.
I'm making brush up.
Brush who?
Come like you don't know, you see something you like, don't you? You see one cast it down and dial what you like.
And she say, I guess the question like,
Okay, I'm telling you this. Don't come. Wait, I'm not telling you to come here. Eh?
come back here, here.
Yo, you are.
If me never come back here, I'm going to find out say you have sex with a cousin,
Yeah,
girl. Don't do it.
Yo.
I don't because
Yeah,
this.
I your cousin. We all know say your cousin.
You ready no? Make sure do she here.
We all know say your cousin Browning.
Come on,
Go and chat and see if
Ladies.
just go and chat and see what go on here. Make this guy road and see what go on.
Me know.
Just make this come out here so and see what go on. Me go back to jail for you here girl. Brownie, here what go on, me so come.
Yeah.
Here. Make this come out here and see.
Let me tell you this.
Because head back big door.
You know who my cousin be? Cousin of
So wait there, your cousin a bad man, you're a bad girl, so we come and step up to me like this, not because me there in your house, baby girl. Don't do it.
So what you want to do?
What me want to do? Me come over here for you, check for you, you do me.
Me don't want you come. You
Girl,
don't
just come
tell
to
you
me
this.
face now.
Oi.
So wait,
I'm telling you this.
I want me. No sir, look here. And the day I come over here, right? And I say, Browning, lend me a money. You can't lend me the money. But now, me I tell you if you give me 200,000 because if you don't give me that, this is a secret here, out the road you reach. Remember me tell you that.
You're bad.
Remember?
You hear me cousin just say, make you reach out the road and see what happen. You know what?
Make you reach out the
Me
road
give
and see what happen.
What you must say?
And your cousin alone bad?
Me give a list. thing.
May I ask you a question? Your cousin love about badness.
It's chuck, your mind also shut me. Your bad. You're tall up, you're too tall. You're not my also shut me.
Girl, don't start with me. It's either you're going to give me the money or you're going to pure your secret go to the road so you're sex your own cousin.
You're real without doing that?
What you mean?
Alright.
What you mean, girl?
Okay.
It's either you give me the money or you're going to pure to the road.
Make your money. You know what?
You have the money for you now?
No, I don't have the money for me now. Just give me a tomorrow until tomorrow.
Which tomorrow? No.
Alright, in the evening, we can check you.
I want it now.
Me
You
not
have
have
my
it
bank account. They phone that.
Me have to go to the machine. Go get it. You understand that?
Alright
So
then.
calm now, calm.
Already cash me want to remember me tell you that. Remember me tell you that. Oh. Let me hear this out of your mouth. Here we hear what go on.